Hey guys, I'm Tom.
I'm Vicky.
We're at the Carolina Travel Channel, and we're here in Southport, North Carolina, and we're going to try out the place. We tried once before, but they was remodeling, yeah. And Fishy Fishy. We're going fishing, folks. The Fishy Fishy. We're going to see what we can find. And I don't know. I've not ate there. But we heard great things about it. So we finally here, and it looks like the doors are open. So I brought my fishing pole. No, I didn't. I'm just gonna buy the fish. Right?
And cooked.
Yeah, and it's already cooked, so I don't have to. All right, so let's go. We'll show you here in a minute. Fishy Fishy. There's some other ones down there we gotta try. Well, this right here is pretty good. I got a cup of New England clam chowder. I got the Maui special. There it is. It's pretty good. The sandwich. Come with some side. I got some cucumber salad. Vicky. Fried flounder. Grilled flounder, French fries, and coleslaw. How is it?
Good.
Pretty good. Cool. Pretty neat. Well, we just finished there at the Fishy Fishies, and it's pretty good. I got a special that was a Maui with bacon and lettuce and some different things on there. And had a little bit of spice to it, but it's super good. It's really good. I got a bowl of New England clam chowder, or a cup. That was pretty good. And what side did I get? Just
Cucumbers and
cucumber and tomato salad, and just cucumbers and tomatoes. And Vicky got
grilled flounder, French fries, and slaw.
And how was yours?
It was good.
All right, so we've been trying to come here, and we did. It was pretty good. We got to try the other two over there. There's a frying pan and something else. Any hoots, we're going to head on out of here and go find somewhere else here a little bit. So thank you all for watching, and until you see us on the road.